I'm here to show you the 5 changes that Amazon recently introduced in the public and private SPA PI application process. Doesn't matter if you're applying for PI data or without PI data, those changes are still affecting you. So number 1, we have one brand new question, which is explain your primary business activity on Amazon and how your business will utilize it. Using the SPA API, simply you need to describe and answer the question in a couple of sentences. Nothing scary, nothing to be worried about. Regarding how your organization stores Amazon information at rest, now it's mentioned and required that you have these encryption methods at least, and you need to mention your key management systems. Before, those things were not mentioned and were not required. And you need to mention that your backups are in geographically separate backup location and restore procedures RTO and RPO. Maybe here the changes are the most significant. Third one is smaller change, just more info added to the question for how your organization is securely monitoring everything and what mechanisms are you having for detecting suspicious activity. Last question has a change where before you could only mention the position of the person that is responsible for change management. Now you need to give their email and also their name. So that's pretty much it. And let me show you where you can find those questions. This is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and I think I missed one, but it's right here, the third question actually. The changes are not big, but again, it's important to point them out since they're critical if you want to get approved. If you're struggling with applying to the SPA API public or private applications, especially with the PII data, comment down below, let us know, and I'll make sure to help you. Thanks.